So you just got your new 350 block back from the machine shop. Want to put a few parts on it? Stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to In the Garage. Well, this is a special project that we have. If you remember, in a few videos ago we actually built an engine test stand that was given to us by PRW. So now we're going to build a block to put on that engine test stand. We've got a nice 350 block that we've got back from the machine shop that we'll show you in the next episode, and we're going to put all of this on it. Now what we're building is not a drag machine, it's not a monster, it's going to be what we're calling the Mighty Mouse project. It's a totally streetable pump gas engine with good modest power for the engine that we're building. We're going to put a lot of great products into it, go through each step of the process of building your own engine so that you'll have the ability to take your block to the next level. So stay tuned and we'll get back into some of this. So the biggest issue with building an engine is the prep work and planning. You've got to decide what kind of engine are you building. What is it going to go in? Is it going to be a daily driver? Is it going to be just a drag strip machine? And then you've got to decide on your parts list, what's going to go into it. And a lot of people don't know exactly everything that they need to build their own engine. And we're going to go through that process of showing you what all you're going to need, what tools you'll need, what equipment you're going to need, and also the products you need for the build for you. So we're going to talk about some of the options you have available to you and then tell you why we've decided on some of the products we have. So the first thing we're going to do is look at our plan. So the first thing you're going to want to do, as I said before, is you're going to have to decide what your engine is for. Is it for your daily driver? Is it for your weekend hot rod? Or is it a drag strip machine that you're building? And that's going to kind of define what kind of parts and what kind of products you're going to need. One thing that a lot of people take as a misconception is the kind of specialty parts and tools it takes to build an engine. Most people will be really surprised that just a standard set of hand tools and a few specialty tools is all it really takes to put all of this product onto that block. So we're going to take a look at some of the products and some of the decisions we've made, and then we're going to talk about the next episode that we're going to talk about the block itself and kind of how to choose a block, how to work with a machine shop, and what to check when you get it back. Now, as I've said, this project is probably not for everybody, but it is a lot more doable than you might think it is. We're going to give this a rating of 4 wrenches out of 5. You do need to have some basic knowledge. You need to have worked on your own engines for a while to get a concept for what you're building and kind of the decisions we're making as we go along. We are going to use standard hand tools where at all possible. When we do use specialty tools, we'll make sure to call those out to you so you'll know if you need to pick up something or borrow one. There are several places where you can rent specialty tools at your local shops. But the main thing to keep in mind is this is a project that you can do if you just take your time. The planning is where you want to spend all of your time, is making sure you have everything you need before you start. And as you're in the planning process, I encourage you to use these episodes to help you plan out your build, because that's what we're doing it for, is to show you kind of what we've done and the decisions we made and why we've made those decisions. Over the next few episodes, you're going to see us first. We're going to have an episode where we talk about the block, how to choose a machine shop, how to spec out a block, what needs to happen at the shop when they set it up for you as far as painting, the freeze plugs being installed, the cam bearings being installed, how to check all of that when you get it back. So that'll be our next episode. And then we're going to talk about the crankshaft and how to choose a crankshaft for your build, kind of the project that you're building. So thanks again for watching this video. As always, go to partspro.com to find your local Parts Pro professional who can help you with this project, picking out product, and making sure you have the knowledge you need to do it right the first time. Have a great day. See you in the next episode.